Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about coordination polymerization. Coordination polymerization is another variant of chain growth polymerization. The chain starts with the addition of monomer to the metal complex, propagation by successive insertion of monomer at the metal, and the termination occurs when the metal complex separates from the polymer. Polymerization reactions, especially of olefins and dienes, catalyzed by organometallic compounds, fall under the category of coordination polymerization. The first step in the polymerization process is the formation of a monomer catalyst complex between the organometallic compound and the monomer. In the organometallic compound, the symbol Mt represents transition metals such as titanium, molybdenum, chromium, vanadium, nickel, rhodium, etc. Organometallic catalysts react with the diene monomer to give the monomer catalyst complex. In the formation of this monomer catalyst complex, a coordination bond is involved between a carbon atom of the monomer and the metal of the catalyst. Hence, the polymerization effected by such catalyst system is called coordination polymerization. The coordinated metal-carbon bond formed in the monomer catalyst complex acts as the active center from where propagation starts. The incoming monomer is incorporated at the active center of the metal-carbon bond from where the chain growth starts. This reaction scheme clearly explains the propagation step involved in the coordination polymerization process. The propagation step is initiated by the attack of monomer at the active center of the monomer catalyst complex. In coordination polymerization, the catalyst monomer complex is a heterogeneous system with the metal ion in the solid phase and the carbanion of the alkyl group in the solvent phase. The monomer is inserted in between the metal ion and the carbanion with the result that the polymer chain formed is pushed out from the solid catalyst surface. For this reason, the coordination polymerization is also known as insertion polymerization. The insertion mechanism involved in the coordination polymerization is explained by this reaction scheme. Here, M1 and M2 are the first and second monomer units added to the growing chain. Another interesting feature of the coordination polymerization is that depending on the polarity of the metal-carbon bond and on that of the solvent medium, the metal counterion is placed in a particular spatial arrangement with respect to the anion. In certain catalyst systems, therefore, the spatial arrangement has a tremendous effect on the spatial orientation of the incoming monomer and also on the manner in which the monomer is inserted into the growing chain. The specific spatial arrangement of the monomeric unit inserted into the growing chain imparts stereo regularity to the polymer formed. By choosing a proper catalyst and a solvent system, the coordination mechanism can be used to formulate highly stereo-regular polymers. The well-known Ziegler-Natta catalyst belongs to this category of the polymerization system. In our next video, we can see in detail about the Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Thank you.